Hey people, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about chromosomal aberration. So, what is chromosomal aberration? This is basically a structural changes or the numerical changes in the chromosome. So, we can consider it as a structural mistake or a mutation. जब भी क्रोमोसोम के नेचुरल जो स्ट्रक्चर होगा जो पैटर्न होगा उसमें कोई भी स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज होता है या फिर न्यूमेरिकल चेंजेस होता है तो उसको बोलते हैं क्रोमोसोमल एबेरेशन. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. न्यूमेरिकल चेंजेस इन क्रोमोसोम और न्यूमेरिकल क्रोमोसोमल एबेरेशन. Alternation in the number of chromosomes from diploid set is called as numerical chromosomal aberration. So basically क्रोमोसोम के डिप्लॉयड कंडीशन में से या तो कोई क्रोमोसोम गायब हो जाए या फिर कोई एक्स्ट्रा क्रोमोसोम ऐड हो जाए तो उसे बोलते हैं क्रोमोसोमल एबरेशन. तो स्ट्रक्चर में तो चेंज आएगा ही, सो उसे बोलते हैं एबरेशन. It is basically of two types. One is euploidy and another is aneuploidy. So let's discuss first aneuploidy. It is the addition or deletion of one or more chromosome from its normal complements. So aneuploidy can be due to either loss of one or more chromosome or addition of one or more chromosome. सिंपली अगर देखने जाए तो एनियोप्लॉइडी बेसिकली किसी एक पर्टिकुलर क्रोमोसोम का डिलीशन होगा या फिर एडिशन होगा. जो 2n होगा उसमें से या तो एक डिलीट हो जाएगा और 2n-1 हो जाएगा और एक ऐड होके 2n+1 हो जाएगा. एक भी डिलीट हो सकता है, दो भी डिलीट हो सकता है, ये डिपेंड करता है सिचुएशन पे. सो again it can be divided into two types, that is hypoploidy and hyperploidy. So what is hypoploidy and hyperploidy? First, hypoploidy. Hypo means less and hyper means more. Hypoploidy is basically caused due to loss of single or a pair of chromosome from the normal complement. जो नॉर्मल क्रोमोसोम होगा उसमें से अगर एक सिंगल और एक सिंगल पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम लॉस हो जाता है then it is called as hypoploidy. Then we can further divided it into two categories or two subcategories. One is monosomy and another is nullisomy. So what is monosomy? Monosomy is basically when it lost one single chromosome. It can be represented as 2n-1. It is caused when a normal gamete fused with a deficient gamete, means n-1 number of chromosome gamete, then it causes 2n-1 condition or monosomy condition. It is found in some polyploids because diploids cannot tolerate this condition. It is totally lethal to them. So there are two more types of monosomy we can found, that is double monosomy, that is 2n-1 से एक और लॉस होगा तो 2n-1 and a triple monosomy condition, that is 2n-1 से -1 and again -1. So it is also found in some polyploids like wheat, Triticum aestivum. Next is nullisomy. So it is the loss of pair of chromosome from the normal chromosome complement so that the chromosome formula become 2n-2. It is a lethal condition for the diploids, but tolerated by the polyploid, just like the monosomy condition. When a gametes with n minus 1 and fuse with the another gametes with n minus 1, it causes a condition that is deficient in some same chromosome number, that is 2n minus 2 condition is created or observed, that is nullisomy. So we can say that this condition is produced by the union of two gametes which are deficient. Here both the gametes are deficient. Both the gametes are n minus 1 condition. Then the hyperploid. So what is hyperploidy? Hyper means more. So addition of one or more, one single or more than one or a pair of chromosome is called as hyperploidy. So it is of two type. One is trisomy and another is tetrasomy. So what is trisomy? Trisomy is a condition when one extra single chromosome is added to a normal set. So we can write it as 2n plus 1. This is the trisomy condition, and we can take the example that is Down syndrome found in humans, that is 21st chromosome. That's a trisomy condition. So here the union is takes place between a normal n number of chromosome gametes and a n plus 1 gamete. Then tetrasomy. Tetrasomy is a condition where we can found the 2n plus 2 condition. So this is takes place by the fusion of two gametes with n plus 1 condition, which gives 2n plus 2 condition. This condition is formed by the union of two gametes having the similar extra chromosome. Then come to euploidy. So euploidy occurs due to increase or decrease of full set of chromosome. When a total set of chromosome is added or decreased, it is called as euploidy. Basically, this is increase. Here the multiplication concept is present. In euploidy, organism possesses one or more set of chromosomes. Types of euploidy. There are three basic types of euploidy. One is monoploidy, then diploidy, and then polyploidy. So, what is monoploidy? Monoploidy or the monoploids have a single basic pair of chromosomes. It is different from the haploid because the haploid represent the individuals having half set of chromosomes of somatic chromosome which found in the normal individual. So what is the difference between monoploidy and haploid condition? Haploid condition is basically the half set of chromosome of the somatic cell. If the somatic cell contains 2n, then the haploid condition will be n. But here in the monoploidy, all the somatic cells have only n number of chromosomes. So n represent the haploid condition while n dash represent the monoploids. Next is diploidy. The diploids are the normal individuals having 2n number of chromosomes. Examples is somatic cell of human and zygotes, we can also say, which form by the fusion of two gametes with n number of chromosomes in humans and most of the animals and plants. Two normal haploid fuse to form the diploid 2n cells. When two haploid male and female gamete fuses, it forms the diploid zygote, that is 2n cells. Then the last one, that is polyploidy. It represents by 2n, 3n, 4n and so on. It is the condition having more than two sets of chromosome. This is basically जब डाइप्लॉइडी में 2n होता है। जब 2n से ज्यादा सेट्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम किसी भी प्लांट्स में दिखने स्टार्ट होते हैं उसे बोलते हैं पॉलीप्लॉइडी। दैट मे बी 3n, दैट मे बी 4n, दैट मे बी 5th n, that may be 6n. So we can called it as triploidy, tetraploidy, hexaploidy, and so on. So there are three basic subcategories comes under polyploidy, that is autopolyploidy, allopolyploidy, and autoallopolyploidy. So let's discuss कि actually में होता क्या है इन तीनों में. So autopolyploidy, addition of one or more haploid sets of its genome is called as autopolyploidy, which are the polyploidy which have the same basic sets of chromosomes which is multiply. This condition may occur naturally or can be artificially produced. Some examples can be taken as some species of grasses. Then allopolyploidy, increase in one or more haploid sets of chromosome from different species. It is the increase in number of chromosome sets having two different genomes. Here both male and female have two different genome of two different species. Then autoallopolyploidy. It is the increase in chromosome sets due to coming together of different genome and the occurrence of at least one genome of its own. Here, either male or female have its own genome while other from the other species. So that's all. Here are some key structures or diagrams which helps to understand the concept, and that's all. Thank you.